notice that I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it, that I wasn't going.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney Elise, and guess what? We have some clothes to try on. So this is going to be another SHEIN haul because you guys definitely enjoy the SHEIN hauls. Check the reviews from the previous ones. Now I'm getting ready to go on vacation, so these are the clothes that I will be packing. So I hope they all fit. I hope everything looks cute, and we're just gonna have some fun with it. Ready? Ta-da! Voila! This is so cute. I got it in a size small. I probably should have got it in a medium, but it's super cute, and it's one of the many green dresses that I have. No fun. All of these are green dresses. But we like this. 10 out of 10. Ooh, what's it giving? I feel like it's giving rich. It's giving bold. It's giving, I got a little bit of money. Super cute, size small. Voila. This is going to be my dilly-dally dress, okay? I don't know where I'm going. Maybe in the park. I can go skipping. Do you want to dilly-dally with me? Super cute, size small. I definitely need to pack an iron or a steamer because I don't want to be all wrinkly. But we love this dress. Super cute daytime outfit. I'm really excited that the butt is not a thong, okay? Because you can't have the ass out all the time. Sometimes, not all the time. So yes, this is my adulting outfit, daytime, beach club, you know? And there's fringes on the bottom. It's super cute and comfortable. I thought it was gonna be tighter, but not everything has to be tight. I could definitely move in this, you know? I'm moving. 10 out of 10. Y'all see me? Okay, we got options. I think I like this the best out of all the options. It's really the top for me, the details, the pearls for the girls. Yes, but I really love this dress. It's comfortable, it's not too tight. It's like the perfect length, you know, not too short, not too long. So yeah. I think this is gonna be one of my favorites. What do you guys think? I got these super cute bracelets. And this one is cute too. Honestly, not only did I buy clothes, but I got these super cute gold bracelets. Aren't they cute? Very cutesy. Very, very cutesy. All right now, I told you, sometimes you gotta let the cheeks out, okay? Just sometimes. But this is a cute outfit. I like the strings a lot. It's very comfortable. It's loose fitting. It's yellow. I'm gonna feel so sun-kissed and golden. I like this outfit a lot. Overall, so far, I have a lot of good. I'm liking what I have so far. Are you? I'm liking it. I'm excited. Woo. Capris for the girls. Okay. And of course, they're green. Of course, I couldn't get another color. I had to get green. But these are super cute, very stretchy, butt looks good. Overall, we like these. These are cute with a little heel, a little chancletas. We're gonna look cute. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. I feel grown, for real, honestly. Like, I feel grown, I feel sexy, I feel snatched, because what waist, baby? I don't got no waist. You ain't gonna find one over here, okay? But yes, we like this outfit. Very grown, very sexy. It's capris with a little heel. We like this very much, very cute. Voila. So, I have this boob tape thing that I'm gonna use when I put this on in Grenada because the girls don't really feel secure, nor do they feel protected, right? But overall, it's a cute outfit. It's very cute. I could see me wearing this daytime or nighttime, depending on how I'm feeling or what exactly I'm doing. But the girls just feel a little too free for me, so we gotta get that under try. Red light special. Ooh, all of this sexy, right? I like this. I like this a lot. Very cute, very petite, very dainty. It's giving nighttime. It's giving date. I don't have no date, but we might have to find a date, okay? So yes, this is the look. I like the roses in the back. It's gonna go even, you know, my tattoo in the back. It just looks, it's sexy. It's giving sexy and grown, just grown vibes. All right, so this is the last outfit that I had to try on from my SHEIN haul. Shout out to SHEIN. I appreciate good clothes, okay? This is a quick order I put in. I think I might have spent about $200, give or take. Overall, we have over 10 pieces, over 10 looks. I even bought I bought a double outfit, gave it to Lex, but hey, we're just moving forward. So this is it. This is my SHEIN haul. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Tell me which one is your favorite, which outfit you like the most. And then be sure to tune in. Stay tuned for more because we're going to Grenada and I'm taking you with me.